Good morning. These are the instructions for using Security Beach E-Keyl safety box with the electronic combination lock. First, check that the opening lever is in the open position, and then with the safety box ready to be used. If this is not the case, the lock is closed, and you have to take contact with the assistant in order to ask to unlock the lock box. Place your personal belongings inside the safety box. Type a 4-digit code at your choice, and for confirming it, repeat it again by 2 seconds. If the inserted code is correct, the keyboard will light up in green color and emit an acoustic signal. Move the lever into the closed position. In this way, the safety box is closed. In order to open the safety box, it's enough to compose your selected 4-digit code and turn the lever into the open position. In case of incorrect code entry, the keyboard will flash a red color and emit an error signal. After 5 incorrect attempts, the lock system will be blocked and will need the intervention of an assistant.